Want to create that classic typewriter text effect in After Effects? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, starting with the basics and ending with a few powerful tweaks. First, create a new text layer and type in your message. I'll go with, "This is a typewriter effect." Now, click the arrow next to your text layer, go to Animate and choose Opacity. Set opacity to 0%. Next, open the Range Selector. This controls how the animation applies over the text. Keyframe the start property from 0 to 100% over a few seconds. You'll see each letter appear one by one, just like it's being typed. Now, for some advanced tweaks. Head over to the Advanced tab and set smoothness to 0. That way, each character pops in instantly without fading. Want to animate whole words or lines instead of characters? Just change the based on setting from characters to words or lines. You can also adjust ease high and ease low to make the motion softer or snappier. And finally, don't forget sound. Add a typing sound effect to really sell the typewriter vibe. Search for keywords like keyboard click or typewriter keystroke and sync the sound with the animation. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay creative.